Would you like to reduce your administrational effort by half, completely automatize your documentation and make it paperless, and reduce your costs between 10 and up to 30%? This can be achieved with Wowflow in 3 steps. First of all your maintenance schedules and data can be uploaded. Our customer success teams make sure that all the quality of the data is correct before uploading, so there is no trouble for you and you don't have to create anything manually. Once set, all of your intervals are going to be generated automatically. Here we can see a group of 18 different assets in different locations, and based on the configuration, the scheduling tasks are going to be automatically generated to our internal employees or external companies. In order for us to have an overview, here we have a real-time interactive yearly maintenance calendar, and quite simple and intuitive. With a traffic light system, we see green done, red not done meaning overdue, and here already what is scheduled in future and planned to be done. Now, if we do have some issues and we have some overdue things, first of all, Wowflow will automatically send the reminders if the overdue date is reached. Still, you can also make a note and communicate with your internal employees by a notification or external companies where they will get this note via email. When everything is done and we need the documentation, the report of the completion is just one click away. So once we export this as a PDF, and it can be also set to be automatically exported in your CRM or ERP, here we see with one click away all the documentation with pictures, schedules, documents, everything inside automatically ready for us. So to summarize, all of your data can be for you uploaded. Once uploaded, it's going to be automatically generated, including with the reminders for your internal employees or external companies via email, meaning they can work with you with app, but don't have to, and over email integration they are included. In your yearly schedule, you see in real time what is happening, and your documentation is one click away. If this sounds interesting to you or you have any questions, feel free to book a field consultation or take a free demo account in Wowflow and try it for yourself. Good luck.